Ginger is an amazing immune booster, so great to prevent colds and flus. It is also great for the digestive system, it's anti-inflammatory, for relieving pains and migraines. So when we feel we are getting sick, we use a ginger shot and we see results immediately. It is so easy to make. Start with about 2 roots of ginger. After you've peeled them, you want to grate them on the finest grate you have, or you can use a juicer. Next, we want a bowl and a sieve, as we want to separate the juice from the pulp. Next, add your juice to your container. Only fill it to a half. Second ingredient, the juice from 1 lemon. Lemons are full of vitamin C and they also give a great taste. Add it over the ginger juice and also leave a little bit room for the last ingredient. Lastly, you want to add about 1 big spoonful of honey. You could add even more depending on your preference. Then you just need to give it a big shake until all the honey has been dissolved. The ginger shot is great for both adults and kids, and this one in particular I made for my daughter as she is getting a little bit sick.
Wow, it's so strong but so good at the same time.
That's it for this recipe. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to check the other videos and subscribe, as you might enjoy the other recipes as well. Bye!